Hello everyone and welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the scales and axes in Lather Data Visualization Library in Python 3. I have already got all the code ready and tested in order to save us the precious time for typing in the repetitive code. So let us get started. So we are going to import the lather and then we have the data like this. So in order to have a linear scale, you can just say add x scale and the arguments are going to determine the scale for that particular axis. Similarly, here we have add y scale. So the y axis is going to vary from -10 to 10 and the result will be apparent. So this is how we can customize the linear scale. Now we can even have the ordinal scale, and we have seen this already. This is nothing but the column visualization and it is always going to be ordinal. So this is the ordinal visualization. Now there is something known as temporal scale. So the temporal scale means that on the scale for any axis we have the data related to the time. So for that we need to import date from datetime library, and we also need to have some sort of temporal data to work with. So on this particular date we had value 3, on this particular date we had value 5, and so on. So on x scale we are going to have the lower limit 1st January of 2018 and the upper limit is 1st January of 2020. So let's execute it and see how the temporal data looks like. So here you can see all the dates are there on the x-axis. Now we can even change the tick values. So here we are changing the tick values like this. Add x-axis and ticks 0, 10, and if I execute it, so here we have tick values only 0 and 10. Okay, but the scale of x-axis is 0, 20. The only thing is that this 20 is not visible. We can make it visible by just saying 20, and this is the output. So here we have 0, 10 and 20. We can even say 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and it is going to show us accordingly. And finally, we can even customize the tick format by writing a custom function tick formatter like this. Okay, so here we just need to call tick formatter and pass it as an argument while making a function call to add x-axis function. So this is the customized x-axis. So this is how we can customize the scales and axes of any visualization in Lather. Do let me know if you have any question, query or comment about this. Thanks a lot for watching this video and I will see you next time.